quality.
Ayan.
And of course, magandang gabi rin sa mga first-timers natin. So yun naman yung mga first time po sa The Feast You Bell.
Yan!
Welcome
po. Welcome po sa and dito po tayo sa sama-sama ngayon to be blessed and to learn more and be together as we continue to serve and see more of our God. Ayan.
And can you please tell your secret sa mga kasama natin? You're made for more. Go! Alright, so again, we're here. Nandito nga po tayo to celebrate our first anniversary ng The Feast You Bell. And of
Ano
course,
nga yung team natin? Nababasa niyo po ba? Anong team natin? Audience?
yes, kasi
We're
na
all
one year.
here together because of the one who loves us the most. So, welcome po sa inyo. At ano nga ba ang Feast You Bell? Coach, para sa mga first-timer natin.
Alright, so what is The Feast You Bell? It's our weekly safe space and support community. Mapa-on-site, katulad ngayon, and online, may mga kasama din tayo online. Where you belong, you are loved, and you are made for more. Sabi nga ulit, where you belong,
Where you belong,
you are loved,
you are loved,
and you are made for more.
and you're made.
Ayan. So, welcome everybody. So, this Feast You Bell usually happens twice a month. Pero last month,
What's that?
once lang tayo. This month, once lang din. But when we look forward, actually tuloy-tuloy siya sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Doon sa mga days na wala tayong on-site, actually may online siya. If you're following the Facebook page, lahat ba tayo nakafollow sa Facebook page natin? Feast You Bell, ayan. So we also have it online. So ngayon din, while we're here on-site, we will also want to bless the people who are watching online. So baka pwede natin i-like and i-share yung ating Facebook page, lalo na tong live stream. Actually, guys, sa mga nakakaalam, may live stream po tayo. Patingin ang mga nanay nyo. Hello po! Yun pala siya.
So, as you can see on the screen right now, masarap i-reminis yung mga for the pastor. Kasi as you can see here, ito yung naging bulletins natin for the pastor. Dami-dami na pala, no? So, ilan dyan yung parang nagano tayo, okay? Ilan dyan yung okay. But it's good to see right now na nakaisang taon na tayo. Tama ba? Okay, masarap sa pakiramdam kasi parang ang bilis na, ang dami na nangyari. And of course, I believe maraming na-bless dun sa isang taon na yun. Tama ba?
And hindi lang dun sa isang taon, we pray and we hope there's more years to come for the Feast You Bell. So lahat ba meron tayong bulletin? Alam mo bang special yung bulletin today? Kasi it also reminds us that this is our first year anniversary and we hope to see you to more years to come.
Yes, we have the first, second, third, fourth, diretso na yan. And sa nasabi nga natin, maraming na-bless for the past year. So related dyan, ito ang ating check-in question for today.
Sa mga bago, ito po yung parang tradition namin as we begin this piece. Kasi syempre sabi nga namin, we also want this to be a community. We don't want it as just nanonood na kayo dyan. This is not a show, this is a community that where we gather together to be with the Lord. So, ngayon, check-in question.
Huwag sa akin magsisimula. Ayan ang simula.
So, Coach, paano ka na-bless ng Feast You Bell? Tapos may follow-up, what kind of impact it has given?
Naunahan po ako. Alright, sige, simulan ko. So, paano ka na-bless ng The Feast You Bell for the past year? Actually, ito ko automatic na isip ko eh. I am able to serve. For me, that's a blessing for me. Okay, iba kasi yung feeling kapag nakapag-serve ka, parang nandun yung purpose mo. So that's my blessing for the Feast You Bell. Because ever since, I've been naman ng the Feast PICC talaga before. Even the Feast Manila, I've been trying na talaga mag-serve na before. So kaso parang lagi na uudlot. And now this time na, because of the Feast You Bell, I'm now here and able to serve. So yun na naging impact sa akin. How about you, Siska?
Ako naman, as a campus missionary myself, naniniwala ako how the Feast You Bell will be able to reach out. Imagine, grabe na sa U-Bell tayo, there are many schools beside us, surrounding us, and I believe that more young people needs a place, needs a community, a safe space where they can grow together and they can journey with their life. So, I believe through that, mas namin dito sa PCU.
Okay na, hindi sigurado sila din naman, no? Hindi pwede
Oo,
tayo.
syempre, hindi pwede
Siguro mga
kanila.
2 minutes? Okay,
2 minutes. Find a partner, yung katabi nyo. Ayan. Baka pwede nyo pag-share paano best. Lalo na kung ikaw ay kasama namin 1 year ago pa. And sa mga first time, sana mas ma-bless mo naman tayo. Okay, 2 minutes.
Ulag daw yung 2 minutes eh. Grabe. Lessons sa kanila.
2 minutes. Paano ka nag-bless ng PCU at kailangan ka? Habang nag-share yung nasa outside, we would also would like to invite those who are in our live stream. Ayun pala. Dami na yun. Doon nasa live stream, you can comment doon sa check-in question natin. Paano po kayo nag-bless ng PCU kahit online? And what kind of impact it has given you?
Yes. So I think most of them,
What do you think?
nakakatuwa lang kasi kasama kami nila na-bless na lang sila kasi masasaya sila na ulit, diba? So, ibig sabihin malaking impact talaga sa kanila.
Yes.
Diba?
Seconds.
Ay, tayo na ba?
For sure, ang daming kwento.
Masaya sa kanila. Okay.
Okay na ba? Sige.